Hello there. Today I am using some leftover paint from my last video. I don't know how well you can see that, but it's just blobbed in there. And I'm going to try for the first time this ghost pour swipe thing that many creators on YouTube have put out on their channels with so much success. Some of them have been just really beautiful, and so I'll give it a try and have a bit of an adventure with it. So I've decided that I'm going to put these colours across the middle of my canvas, of which I've already put white house paint down as a base, and then I'm going to use something different for my centre piece to swipe with. So for my swipe paint today, I've decided to use glitter. And I have got here Reno Art Crystal, Reno Art Black Opal, and this one is actually a glitter glue, but I wanted that lovely green glitter colour in with the others. And I've mixed those three together to make approximately 20 grams of paint. And that's how it looks in the container. It is mixed with approximately 20 grams of Floetrol and approximately 10 grams of water, and it's quite a good runny consistency for using to swipe my paints. So now I'm going to put my paints on the canvas ready to swipe. My swipe tools are pieces of post-it notepads, we call them here in New Zealand, with a little sticky piece on there, and I've cut them in half, and these are what I'm going to use to swipe with. And so rather than just wiping them off, I'm just going to put them to one side as I've finished with them. So now I'm going to start my swipe. Okay, right, well, I'm really pleased with that so far. Of course, it's going to depend on how it dries. I'm really thinking though that I would like to tip those blunt pieces over the edge. Now I don't know if I can tilt it enough to do so because I don't know if there's enough paint. But I'll just give it a little bit of a try and see what happens. Unfortunately, the white, I'm not sure if the white will move back again, but hey, this is all trial and error, so I'll give it a try and see what happens. I'll keep going, see if I can get those paints over the edge without losing too much of my pattern. Wow, I actually really like that, but I'm not going to leave it like that because it's still a bit strange up the top. So we'll take it back down. Wow, I really like that. That certainly is different. It's got the two longer white pieces here and here, which make it a little bit different. But wow, no, that's quite good. I'm just going to tip it back down again, of course, to bring the paint back to the middle. But that is certainly really pretty. I'm loving the rainbow stripes. Goodness, that's so pretty. Right, that will do, and that's the rainbow stripes that I'm talking about. Now, I'm just going to leave that like that. Except for that end. I'm still not happy with that end. I might just run a piece of card across that, which of course is heavier than paper, just to see if I can bring it down right to the edge. That looks better. That does look better. Okay. Oh, okay, I didn't notice the opposite corner down here. So I need to really start from up here. Actually, I'll put a dot of glitter on it just to help it along. Wow, that's brought out the yellow as well, which is so pretty. I might do the same thing here because I'm not happy with the white smudgies. See if I can get a dot of colour from leftover paint just to pop down on here to bring it across, just to get rid of that little smudgy white bit that I put on. Wee dot of glitter behind it and use the card. Yep, that's better. Just got to see if I can do something with that as well. That's better. Oh gosh, it's so good having the card to be able to use bits of to bring some of the colour down a little. And that is it. I will finish off now. And of course just wait for it to dry before I upload the video, so that you can see the dried effect with the glitter. That is really pretty. It's not perfect by any means, but then hey, if it was perfect it would be really bland. There's always got to be something unusual or unique about a creation to make it worthwhile doing. So once again, thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Well, as I promised, here's the dried painting, and it is gorgeous. I'm just going to angle it to see if the light will pick up the beautiful glitter on it. As you can see, the Floetrol, trying to remember the name, has dried clear, and so you've just got all those swipes going through, which is so pretty. I'll bring it in a bit closer so you can see the glitter on it as well with a bit of a close-up. It really is beautiful. I'm so pleased with it, and of course I will definitely be trying this again with other colours.